Hey guys, so we are now on our second Pokemon box from Amazon. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead. We're going to pull a few packs here. Let's do two of each. So I'm going to open them up, show you guys what we get. So we just need a Raichu. There we go. So we just grabbed a bunch. And in the video, we're going to give you guys some free cards. Don't you worry for those who stick around. Yeah, let's open the packs up. Alright guys, to start off, here's the free code for you guys. You know what? Hold on a second. XY Evolutions. But I saw... Alright, you guys are going to get two, but we have this one. This one just says Evolutions. But that says XY Evolutions. Interesting. That's strange. These packs XY, these Evolutions. So enter it. Let me know with that, but very curious. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and see what we get from the packs we opened. So we don't know what we have, so we're just going to drop them all down here. Get to the back. Magmar and Electrode. Alright, nothing to brag about. Here we go. Alright, nothing to brag about. Vulpix. Oh no, here we go. So there's Charmander and Electrode. Whew. So far pretty rough. We're gonna keep that Pikachu. Well, oh wait, why is that one first? Oh, did we do it wrong? Yeah, why is that one first? Hold on. Wait, no. What? Surfing Pikachu in the same pack? Were there more than one rare? Because we got these, two rares in a pack. So these also say evolutions on them, just regular evolution. So that's that. Two rares in that pack. Well, that is two rares and a holo. Interesting, or a reverse holo. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna keep going here. But now I'm, never opened this box before, so obviously maybe I don't know. Maybe I'm missing something here. Diglett. Oh, there we go. There's a nice holo. Alright, nothing to brag home about. So far, we're not getting too lucky with this. Oh, there looks like a nice one in the back. We'll see. Nope. Nothing to brag about. So we'll just keep on going here. Alright. Alright, nothing too crazy exciting. Maybe we'll open some more. We'll give you guys another code here. Alright guys, I just want to show you I've been opening more, and this is what we've found so far. As far as anything decent, I gotta look up a lot of these other ones, but these are kind of what we got so far. This one does have some damage, where there's a line, see, under the N. There's like a cut line, and it looks like it goes straight down through. But what's weird is it's not on the back, so I'm not quite sure. Yeah. So that's so far, and we still got all of them left.